Okay, the court is ending the session. Um, This is County Court Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. We had 3 dockets set today. First docket was our trial docket, and we've announcements was made on those dockets. The second docket that we had, and all of those dockets were set at 9 a.m. Was the pretrial conference plea docket, and we have completed that docket as well. Now we go to our announcement docket, and we had 2 people that did not appear. The first case is cause number 324188. The case is style of State of Texas versus Cedric Irvin. Mr. Irvin was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's announcement docket at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called his name at the courthouse door. He did not answer. The court has been in session since 9 a.m. The time now is 1:23 p.m. on today's date of July 26th of 2021. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Cedric Irvin?
Cedric Irvin.
Cedric Irvin name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Irvin did not respond. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Irvin an opportunity to appear in court for the court announcement docket. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would move for bond forfeiture at this time.
That motion will be granted. Mr. Irvin's bond will be forfeited in cause number 324188, and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest. The next case is cause number 329364. The case is style of State of Texas versus Henry Paul Barron IV. Mr. Barron was scheduled to be in court this morning for 9 o'clock for the court's announcement docket. His name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Mr. Barron did not answer. Mr. Barron has not been in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 1:24 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Henry Barron?
Henry Barron. Henry Barron. No response, Your Honor.
Henry Barron's name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Mr. Barron did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Barron an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would move for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. In cause number 329364, the bond of Henry Barron will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest. And this will conclude the calling.
Excuse me, Judge, on Cedric Irvin, it looks like he has 2 other cases. One of the court coordinators put it on 809 with his felony, they just failed to do it on that last case.
You saying his cases will reset?
He has 3, on our docket only shows 1, the other 2 were set with his felony 809, they just failed to reset that last one.
When was that?
Let's see,
And that was on Cedric
Irvin.
Irvin?
They set it to 809. And what happened, they just failed to go to the 3rd case and set that one too, because his felony is 809.
So they set 2 of his cases, but failed to set
The 3rd one, yes.
okay, so it's possibility he,
Assumed that he.
okay. State, you have a motion?
The state would withdraw its motion for bond forfeiture.
Okay, that motion will be granted. And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket, pretrial conference plea docket, and the trial docket, which is all scheduled at 9 a.m. on the day's date of July 26, 2021. County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding.